Hi, this is Lisa Cato, HighLevel Certified Admin and Automation Architect. I could not be happier with the new ticketing system that we've installed. We manage several agencies and this has been an absolute game changer. You'll see down here in the menu, I've got my support desk and I've got tickets in here, which allows me to view tickets, reply to tickets, and how fab is this? So from right inside of the application, I'm not having to leave and go to emails and see who replied last and who needs answering. It's all sitting in here and I can move these to the different columns that suit me for my support structure. So what does this look like for the app users? So over here, I'm now in the sub account. I've got the support desk here, and I can go in and I can see the tickets that I've opened and the whole thread. I'm not having to go back as a user either. How easy could it be for them to open a ticket? Just going to click on the button. We're going to select the different categories, which I've customized for what I need. What is the title that I need to put in here? And then I'm going to submit it. There we go, 1st of April at 6:18 p.m. UK. Let me head back over to the agency account and there it is. 1st of April, 6:18, it's come in immediately. I can reply to it from here, format it so that it looks superbly professional and send it back to them. They'll get that straight away inside of here. You can see if I refresh that, the bubble has appeared and they don't have the option to move it, but I do. So I can put this here, that this is now complete, and I can set up workflows and automation on this too. So we can go backwards and forwards all day on this, showing you how instant that is and how cool it is. But also as far as stuff like managing projects internally, I can create whatever projects I want really easily using the system. Same kind of thing, I can create whatever columns I want, I can move things along, I can assign it to people and create the automations in the workflow. What's not to like? This has absolutely revolutionized how simply we are handling our support with our agency users.